Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check how much Robux you spent on your mobile. So before I begin this video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is open up your Roblox app, and from there go to the top right on the Robux icon. Basically here you can see your balance and things you can buy, so you can see how much you actually spent. So what you need to do is open up your Safari and then just go to roblox.com. Then you want to tap in continue in browser and then log in. Once you have logged in, you want to tap on the Roblox at the top right again and then go to my transactions. Now I haven't bought any Robux yet, but if you see here a type of transactions, over to purchases and then sort them by 10 per page or whatever. Sort them by per 10 per page on how many you will have. And then at the bottom you see purchase group, how much you got, and on the right side it will tell you how much money you spent on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed,
Hey guys.
leave a like, comment, subscribe.